how to turn off your professional account on Instagram. Open the Instagram application, then click on your profile. Since you have a professional account, you get a professional dashboard on your profile. Now to change it, just tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Then you'll get a Creator Tools and Controls option, which is only available for professional account. Tap on it. Here you can see a Switch Account Type option, which will help you to change your account. Just tap on it. Then you'll get an option to switch your account either to business account or to personal account. Since we're going to change it into a personal account, just tap on personal account. Then tap on the switch on personal account again. After doing so, it may take a few seconds, but your account will turn back into your personal account. Just refresh and you'll see the professional dashboard designation has been removed from your account, which makes sure that your account has been changed into a personal account. In this very easy way, you can turn off your professional account. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.